This is BIOS monitoring system, which is a wireless FDA-approved monitoring device which will monitor your 7 vital signs like your 7-lead ECG, heart rate, respiratory rate, SpO2 pulse rate, posture, and with the third party integrated, you can also measure blood pressure and temperature. Okay, so this, what happens, the patient wears this on the chest, on the left, above the left clavity, and the data from here is transmitted to this bedside monitor, which is a tab through Bluetooth, and from the Bluetooth from here, using the hospital Wi-Fi, the data is transferred to the central station monitoring, where you can view multiple patients at one go. Okay, so the benefit of this is, one is it's ambulatory, the patient can walk around. Secondly, a clinician need not be physically present all the time. It is monitored remotely, and whenever there is fluctuation in any vital data, the machine will send out a clinical alarm, and you can take action on this. So basically, this is a proactive approach than a reactive approach. Reduce critical incidents from happening by using this. So in typical situation, like where you need continuous monitoring, for the patient to recover, for example, in a step down ICU, in a HDU, in a post-op ward, you can use this virus.